Hello viewers, this is Arvindar Anne Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see transgender radio jockey Ananya, now MLA candidate in Kerala. For more information, now we shall go to the inside the video. I request you to kindly watch this video in full. Hello viewers, Kerala Assembly elections, Ananya on a historic mission. Transgender radio jockey takes on Indian Union Muslim League heavyweight in Bengara. Well-known transgender radio jockey and makeup artist Ananya Kumari Alex is poised to create yet another history in the state. She is the first transgender candidate contesting an assembly election in Kerala. Ananya had set another state record when she became Kerala's first transgender radio jockey a couple of years ago. Ananya has chosen to contest against Indian Union Muslim League IUML heavyweight PK Kunhali Kuti in Bengara. As it is a historic moment for the entire transgender community, I wanted it be against an opponent worthy of fighting, Ananya told. Describing Mr. Kunhali Kuti as a power gracie and anti-woman man, Ananya said her fight would be for equality between man, woman and transgender. Wherever we refer to matters relating to human beings, we should consider equality for men, women and transgender equal. Recognition is must for transgender, she says. A native of Peruman in Kollam and now settled in Kochi, 20-year-old Ananya said transgender people would be good leaders. She said she wanted to work for the welfare of her community even when attending to people's issue in general. Support is assured for Ananya from the transgender community and her friends. She said she would focus on electioneering across Bengara in the coming days. I am planning to reach out to all sections of people in Bengara in the next 2 weeks. I may not reap the dividends of this historic move I make. It is just a beginning. Next transgender generations will benefit from it, she says. Ananya is contesting on Democratic Social Justice Party DSJP's banner with the television set as her election symbol. She says DSJP was sending a great message to the society by offering her a seat. Ria Isha, leading transgender model in Malappuram, said that Ananya's was a bold move for the community. The courage being displayed by Ananya is definitely going to make a difference. It is a great and a bold step forward in our struggle for recognition and equality, Ria said. Ananya said she would cast her vote in Kollam. According to her, she has added responsibility to exercise her franchise this time, especially as she is contesting an election. A higher secondary dropout, Ananya is keen on continuing her higher education. Only through education, any community can attain self-esteem and recognition. For us to hold our heads up, we need a solid education, she said. Hello viewers, I think you like this video. If you are really liking means kindly share to your friends and relatives. And also I request you to kindly subscribe this Arvindar Anne Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video in full.